Hello everybody, this is PillarTrading.com, and in today's chart of the day we are going to be going over the Australian dollar versus the US dollar on the spot chart. Currently we are looking at a monthly chart and trading 95.45. You can see here in the upper right hand corner what we're trading at. Now, why are we looking at a monthly chart? Because we are quickly approaching all-time highs on this chart. 98.50s. 98.50s is the level, and we are going to see exactly how we're going to get up to that point if we do continue with this bullish trend to the upside. Now, let's go down to the daily chart. We're going to be able to see the next setup that we're talking about. This has not seen a significant pullback since this area traded. You'll remember this was the trade of the year so far on the Australian dollar, and it was off of those 87s, and we had selling into taking profit at 94.50s. That was that area we were looking for. You can see we did have a day where profit taking took place. We came down, consolidated into our next move, which we're going to be able to see on the 15-minute chart, and then we moved up again and hit a few targets. The next pullback on the daily chart, which is going to determine if this midterm trend continues to pick itself back up again, is at 91.85s. Okay, all the way down at 91.85s we can go down and still be bullish on the midterm. Now let's get to the short term. Talk about the 15-minute chart, and if we look here, we're going to be able to see it better on a 20-day chart. So we're going to zoom out just a little bit, and here we have the move on that daily chart, or on the 15-minute chart, sorry. That last 15-minute move, we saw a bounce at 93.30s. That led us up into 95 even. 95 even traded. Now we can get rid of that move. That's over. The next move, continuing in this series up on the 15-minute chart, was at 94.64. Now that has a target up here at 96.65. 96.65 is the target. Now, there's nothing that's going to say this short-term trend is going to stop. Okay, the next resistance area, we've broken out of shorts, but on the 15-minute chart, the next resistance area is going to be people trying to sell into a double top, which is going to be up here at 96 even. Okay, also a round number. Watch for it. If we do get up that way, you're bound to see some resistance there. Now, if we break down, this is the interesting part. If we break down from here and the 15-minute trend ends, the short-term trend ends, and we begin a bearish climb, or descent, what's going to happen is we are going to come back down and hit, if we zoom out we can see it, that daily long. That daily long, if we go back to the daily chart, we can see is right on 91.87s. If we get price to pull all the way back there, the next target is at 98.25s. And if we zoom back out to that monthly chart, keeping that number in mind, you can see it here. You can see that target just up here, that small dot. That is a perfect double top on the all-time highs of the Australian dollar versus US dollar. So a couple of very important levels setting up on the chart, things to be aware of. Continue to trade that short-term trend until it ends. And that's it, guys. That's the trade on the pair today. So hopefully everyone has a good trading day, and I will see you all in the next video.